Alright guys, so I am about to do some jerk chicken. So first thing first, you want to clean up your chicken, right? Wash your chicken with any solution that you have, whether it is vinegar, lime or sour orange, whichever one, right? And clean up your chicken. Yeah man, you have to clean up your chicken. You're not going to remove the skin, because you're going to jerk it. So you're going to need the skin on it. Alrighty. So we just used a sour orange just a while ago. So as I said guys, you have to clean up your chicken first. So we want to remove all of this, right? And we're going to discard it. We don't need it. And then you proceed to wash it out. You make sure you clean it out, right? You want it to have it clean like that. Alright, so you go ahead and you clean off. I don't know, the chicken always have slime on it and I love to clean it off. Sometimes I'll remove the skin and just try to remove the, I try to remove the membrane, that slime thing there. So the cleaning continue. Alright, then I pull back the skin and I proceed and I pull off the, we call it the slime, but it's the membrane of the chicken. And to be truth and honest, I love to pull them off. Oh, me hold it up again. Alright, so now that our chicken has been cleaned up now guys, I'm going to wash it and wash it. Yeah, so that's what we are doing now. So now that our chicken finished clean up, I'm just adding them to our pan, and we're gonna move right over to our seasoning process right about now. We're gonna use some dry rub and some wet rub, and our wet rub is consists of our own Jamaican blended season that consists of onion, scallion, thyme, pimento, our own scotch bonnet pepper. Run on over to the channel guys, check it out, it is there where I show you how to blend your Jamaican season. Alright, and you use it on anything that you are doing. That's the #1 season that you need to have in your kitchen this Christmas and this Thanksgiving. So run on over to the channel and check it out. So we are just pot drying our chicken. So that's one of the main thing that you need to do. You need to pot dry your chicken after you clean it up, because you want the season to sit on it. You don't want it to be running off. Alright, so we are just going to season this and allow it to marinate overnight. We're gonna start by adding some paprika. Alright, adding some of our favorite season, which is our Maggi. We're gonna add a bit of browning, not too much. You don't want your meat too you don't want to use too much, it will make your meat bitter. Alright, we're gonna add some salt, generous amount of salt right there. Then we're gonna go right in with our wet rub, but before that we're going to add some jerk season as well. To our chicken right there. And then we are gonna go right in with our wet rub, which is our blended season I was explaining just now to you. And we're gonna dive right in and give that a good massage. You can either use both hands or just one hand, whichever way you are comfortable. Just make sure that you give it a good massage. You want to massage in that season, you want to give it a good rubber dub, right? So you want to gently massage in all of that goodness. All right, yeah man. Alright, so this is it now, guys. After we give this a good massage. And be careful, wear a gloves. If you have a glove, wear a gloves. Alright, so what we're going to do now, guys, you want to make sure that you stuff some season right in there. So you just go ahead and you just scrape some from your pan. There's always season there. And we're going to ensure that we stuff it right in, because we want everything to season properly. You know, we want to chop them bone here when we finish, man. Alright, right in there. We want to get in the creases of the meat. So yeah, there you have it. Anywhere you see that there is no season, you just move to your pan and you just scrape some up, and yeah, you stuff it under the skin as well too. Alrighty, so yeah man, I hit that, my people. You want to leave this to marinate overnight. As a true Jamaican, you know we love our chicken spicy and well seasoned. So this is it. I'm going to just cover this and just put it into the fridge. Let it. Alright, so we are just going to wrap and move to the fridge with this, guys. So we will be doing some jerk chicken. We will be showing you how to do a quick and easy fast jerk chicken for your Thanksgiving as well. So that is it. Yeah. Alrighty, so we're going over to the fridge with this. Yeah. Alright now, guys, so we are ready to jerk up our jerk chicken. And you know you cannot jerk a chicken without a red stripe beer. That put a lot of flavors into the chicken. Yeah, it infused that flavor. It's a game changer, trust me. So we have our grill here, and this is a huge grill pan, and I am on the outside. Yeah, but if you want to do the oven jerk chicken, you can also check out the channel where I do the oven jerk chicken as well. But I am on the outside. The atmosphere is cool. Alrighty, so we're gonna just dash on with chicken pan with grill right about now. So this is it, cling wrap. So we're gonna remove the wrap. Alright now, guys, so we're going to just add the chicken to the grill, and you have to wait until your grill is hot, really hot, so that your chicken don't stick on the grill. Alright, so we're gonna continue to just add them to the grill. So this is it. We're going to just cover and allow our chicken. Alright, I'm gonna add 2 plantain as well to the grill pan. On the outside, guys, on the outside, as I said, there is a oven jerk chicken. You can run on over to the channel, view that, check that out. It is there for you. So this is it. Checking in with our jerky in the morning here. Real red stripe beer. And we want to close it down and let that infuse right in the chicken.
Marinate.
Yeah. Real grill pan on the outside. Alright guys, so now that our jerk chicken is finished, I'm going to remove them from the pan. So these are some authentic Jamaican jerk chicken. So you can go ahead and do this for your Thanksgiving as well. The planting is not finished, the sweet potato is not finished, but the thing is that we don't want our chicken to dry out, so we have to remove them. Once they are ready, you don't keep them, because despite the fact that they are not directly under the fire here, on top of the fire, there's no fire coal here, but when the pan closes down, it will dry them out. And you don't want a dry out jerk chicken, right? You want your jerk chicken to be looking lovely like this. Alright, so we're going to finish up the planting and the sweet potato. So yeah, this is it, some jerk chicken for Thanksgiving.